Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can generate $100 to $150 with the help of Google Docs. Google Docs is a free program by Google like Google Word, and you can generate huge amount of income with the help of Google Docs. Simply you have to create ebook and you have to integrate any affiliate link, any affiliate product, and once you sell any product, once you sell any ebook, you will get money for that particular ebook, and as well as if anyone buys from your ebook you will get huge commission. In this video I'll show you step by step process by which you can earn huge amount of money by selling ebooks online, by promoting your ebooks, by promoting your affiliate links online, and it's very easy. Those people who are watching me for the very first time, I want to welcome you guys. I am Tapesh from tapeshchaudhary.com, and in this channel I talk about online entrepreneurship, making money online, affiliate marketing, and different other cool stuffs by which you can generate huge amount of income at the end of 2019. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send a notification to you people. So without making delay, let's get started. Alright guys, now I'll show you how you can generate $100 to $150 per day with the help of Google Docs actually. Okay, so Google Docs is a way by which we can create ebooks, and ebooks are very popular and people are earning huge amount of money by selling ebooks. So for that you have to go to Google Docs and you have to write some article of few pages and you can sell huge amount of money with the help of ebooks. Okay, so if you don't know how to create ebook or how to write articles on ebook, you can go to different website and there are a lot of videos on YouTube. If you just simply search how to create ebook, you will get huge help and you can create ebook with the help of Google Docs. Okay, so initially you have to just get some articles done and you can initially create a huge amount of money with the help of selling ebooks. Okay, so if you don't know how to create ebook, you can go to one website that is called Canva, and this is free website guys, and you have to simply go to Canva website, and here you will get one option as a book cover. Okay, so if you click on book cover, there are plenty of free templates as well, and you can use these free templates and you can create your book. You can create the cover of your book and you can customize as per your requirements. So if I tell anything like for example, for this particular video, if I show you how to lose weight, you can simply just customize the whole thing and you can update in your ebook as well, and there are a lot of things. Okay, you can simply go to this website that is called Canva, and you can simply create, there are different free templates and you can simply create a book cover with the help of Canva, and that is free of cost. Okay, so initially what you have to do, you have to create a ebook like this, and after that you have to take a image of buy now button and you have to connect your product with the help of buy now button. So from where we can get the product, you can take any affiliate product. Okay, so for example, I am on ClickBank, and ClickBank is a marketplace where we can find affiliate products. Okay, so after coming to ClickBank, if I search the keyword weight loss, because I am promoting a weight loss product. Okay, so for that we have to take any of the product. So for example, I am taking this product and I have to promote this one. So for that I have to click on promote button and I will get one hop link in the sense this is the link by which we can generate our link. This is affiliate link. Okay, so this is the link where I have to promote. So for that I have chosen my product and I have to click on the hop link. Then I can go to this ebook and I can add link to this particular image. Here we can add link. So what will happen, so when anyone will click on this link, this buy now button, it will redirect to this page. It will redirect to this product page. whatever I am going to promote. Okay, so if anyone buys from my link, if anyone buys from my ebook, then I will get the commission of 13, nearly around $30. Okay, so for that, how many sales I need to generate? I have to generate nearly around 3 or 4 sales maximum to generate $100 or plus income from this ebook. Okay, so creation of ebook is very easy. If you don't know, if you simply go to, for example, for this particular video I'm creating an ebook of how to lose weight, then you can do one thing. I have to go to simply different website. If I search in Google like how to lose weight, I will get thousands of website, and out of that you can simply just customize, you can simply take ideas and you can write your own articles, and you can it is easy, guys. Okay, so it is very easy to create ebook, and after that you have to simply give a product link. You can take any product, it might be any yoga product, or it might be any training, it might be any services, whatever. You have to simply integrate this link in the description, or sorry, in the ebook, and after that you are ready to go. Okay, so if anyone clicks on this ebook, it will redirect to this page. It is the product page, and if someone buys from this product page, you will get commission. Okay, so now this is the creation part of ebook is over. So by now you can create ebook with the help of Canva, and you can also get product to promote, that is from ClickBank. Also you can use any of the affiliate networking site like Amazon, JVZoo, Max Bounty, or anything. So now the part is how to promote. Okay, so for promotion, for if you are watching me from India, you can register yourself on one website, that is InstaMojo, and in InstaMojo you can upload this ebook, and you will get one link by which you can promote. It's like a e-commerce website, and you can upload the product. What is your product is your ebook. You can upload the product on InstaMojo, and they will give you one link, and by which you can generate a buyable link, and if you share the link to anyone, the person can buy from you. Okay, so initially for selling the product, you can simply charge nearly around $250 or $300 of 250 or 300 rupees, not dollars, of price to sell this ebook. But whenever anyone will buy from you, you will get huge commission. Okay, so initially if any person who wants to buy this ebook, he have to pay 250 or 300 rupees, and after that, if he needs this ebook, if he needs the product, he can buy from your ebook. Okay, so if you are watching me from outside of India, that is one more website, that is called Gumroad. It is free, you don't have to pay any upfront, and yes, if you generate any sale, then they will deduct some amount of charge, nearly around $1 or $2. Okay, so initially to create your first ebook, you can price your ebook for $5, or for Indian peoples, those people are who are watching me from India, for them it is recommended you just charge 250 to 300 rupees for this particular ebook. Guys, understand one thing, the main motto of your ebook is not earning from by selling ebook. The main motto of your ebook is to generate income by selling your affiliate links. Understand one concept, guys. If someone buys from you, he has an intensity to buy your referral product. Okay, if someone has invested his $5 on your ebook, of course he will gradually buy $30 of product from your ebook. This is the important, this is psychological thing. If someone is opening his card and he is investing on your product, there are a lot of chances he will buy your referral, your promoted products as well. This is so easy, guys, and people are earning huge amount of money with the help of selling ebooks. By now we have understood how we can create an ebook and how we can monetize in the sense there are different ways, how there are different tools. But yes, if you are watching me from India, you can use Instamojo. If you are watching me from outside of India, as in my channel maximum of my views are coming out from outside of India, for those people you can use different website what I have mentioned in this particular video. And there are a lot of websites as well. These are all payment gateways, and you can host your product, you can host your affiliate links, host your any ebooks on that particular website, and you can sell, you can generate huge amount of sale. And yes, now by now you have understood the concept how you have to generate sale and what you have to do. So now the part is promotions, how you can promote your ebook. You can promote your ebook with the help of Instagram, you can do Facebook ads, you can simply go to Twitter, you can write any kind of a post on Quora, and you can link your ebook. There are plenty of ways, guys. If you simply search how to promote ebooks, how to market ebooks, there are thousands of websites, there are thousands of guides you can follow. And yes, if you ask me, my personal recommendation will be you can go for Facebook groups, you can do Quora marketing, you can, these are all free stuffs, guys. You can, these are all free things what I am suggesting. And you can, if you don't want to spend any money, you can use these free resources like Facebook group, Twitter comments, then Quora articles or different other articles writing and posting on different other question and answer websites. And yes, you can generate huge amount of sale per day. At least if you consider to generate 2 sales or maybe 3 sales per day, then also you are earning $100 or more than that, depending upon the affiliate products price, depending upon the commission, depending upon the price of your ebook. You can generate huge number of sales. Understand one thing, guys, you cannot become rich or within one day or maybe in one week. You have to work consistently, you have to work a little bit harder, then only you can see the face of success doesn't come so easily. Okay, and if you are thinking in the making money online, if you are thinking like to earn online is free of cost, or it will become easy if you are starting as of now, no, it is not going to be easy. You have to really work very hard, then only you can generate good amount of money at the end of year or maybe at the end of the month. So thank you so much, guys, for watching me. And I appreciate if you just subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yes, I have given the link of different other videos by which you can also generate different other strategies by which you can generate good amount of income at the end of it. And also check out different videos whatever is there in my channel. You can get different kind of ideas, maybe you can implement any of them. So thank you so much, have a great day.